guys, what's up?
Guess what I have?
We have a brand new office space for the HuddleCamHD team. We're expanding. Woo!
Today we're going to share with you some tips and pointers that we have for optimizing your conference space.
We thought it'd be the perfect opportunity to take you to a brand new open office space where we're going to design a conference room. We're going to show you, one, how to choose the right table size.
Yes, we're going to talk about the proper LCD monitor that you might want to use.
How to choose how many seats can comfortably fit inside your conference room, and the height at which your camera should be mounted. And we're expanding to make room for our international growth. We have a partner team that's really growing.
We've got our partner manager, Matt Richards, followed by our international business manager, Patrick Kirby. Then we've got John Reese, our East Coast manager, William Goldie, our West Coast manager.
In this office, we have a HuddleCamHD Team Plus kit, which features a super fast i7 Intel NUC computer, our HuddleCamHD 10X camera, and a beamforming microphone array from Acoustic Magic that makes a complete cloud-based video conferencing system that's ideal for most small to medium-sized conference spaces.
And today, we're gonna cover our Huddle View, which is one of our newest products. It's gonna be really exciting.
Let's look at the camera really quick, and then we'll go over to the new office space and show you guys what it looks like.
Oh, she's a little heavier than most.
Woo! Let's open it up. I just want to show you guys some of the connectivity options built into the brand new Huddle View. So you may have seen our video on this, and we'll show you some footage of it, but let's take a quick look at a brand new Huddle View. As you can see on the back of this camera, we have USB 3.0. We have RS-232 for control. We have SDI, which is great for long cable runs, can be converted to USB. And then we also have DVI, which can be converted to HDMI. And we have Ethernet as well for management and control. You'll notice the camera has a nice wide angle 12x optical zoom. This is a very high quality camera. You should try to schedule a demo with our team to see this in action. But let's go over to the new office space and show you where we're thinking about installing it. It's right here. Isn't that close? Come check it out. This is a 3,000 roughly square foot office space. All right, here we are.
Welcome.
So the first thing we're gonna do is measure the space to get an idea of how big of a table we can fit in here. If you don't have a tape measure, you can count tiles. A little trick I've learned over the years is either a 2 foot by 4 foot tile or 2 foot by 2 foot tiles, generally here in the United States. So you can see here we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, roughly 12 foot by 4, 8, 12, 16, almost 20. But we have a tape measure, so let's go ahead and measure it out. So let's start by trying to figure out the appropriate table size for the space so we can determine the farthest viewer from the LCD screen and decide on the television size.
A conference room table should be no larger than 10 foot smaller the dimension of the room.
So for example, if you have a 20 by 15 room, the ideal table would be 10 foot by 5 foot. So 10 foot long by 5 foot wide. That allows for ample space around the table for walking and chairs and people to be comfortable in a space. So in this space, we're probably looking at roughly a 10 foot long table by 5 foot.
Perfect.
So let's rough that out, and then we can figure out the distance from the farthest viewer from the television and determine the television size.
Now we do have an equation to determine the exact amount of chairs that are appropriate for around the table. It's a little complicated, so make sure you download the free guide we're gonna put below to get that equation.
Okay, so we've determined that our table is gonna be roughly 10 foot in length, leaving 5 foot on this side and 5 foot on this side. So our farthest viewer sitting at the head of the table is about 15, 16 feet away. That's what we need to know in order to determine the ideal television size. Now this is all in our guide, but roughly we're going to need a 60-inch television, which is moderately, average around $600. We're going to need a 60-inch TV right here.
Bam.
Bam. We figured out our LCD size is roughly 60 inches. And now where do we put the camera? Now the camera is one of the most important parts of the audiovisual system for your video conference room, and you want the lens to be eye level with people that are seated. Now if you have some type of standing room or a collaboration table, then you would raise it, but in this scenario we have a boardroom table, conference room table, people are going to be sitting, so 51 inches is generally a good area for the center of the lens. So it's good to think about the camera height before, go ahead and mark that there.
I see. On the wall?
Yeah, just a little bit.
Uh-oh.
Just a little dot. All right. So that is generally where we want the center of the camera. Some of the different cameras have different lenses, so we look at that. The camera mount might be a little bit lower, and that will affect the height of the LCD. All right, that's it.
We hope you guys found this video helpful if you're planning to design a conference space.
Download our free guide below at HuddleCamHD.com/conference room. Check out our new Huddle View, which is going to be really great for a lot of conference rooms on the higher end. Or look at our new HuddleCamHD kits, super affordable, and we'll see you guys in the next vlog.